Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into this system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD in 4 hours, sorry guys, yesterday I was very busy, did I have a chance to upload my analysis review. Let's move to the 4-hour chart on 4-hour Euro USD. We can see here at the beginning of this week we were short and banked beautiful profit. If you haven't seen my rest of the analysis, previous analysis, the video link is given in the video description. So from yesterday we were long, counter long trade as soon as the price respected 130,000 level and 61.8 fib level from the daily, and as you can see here we were long and we have taken all the technically this is the counter trade, but we managed beautiful pips. Let me share with you how I analyze market from here to help my traders to bank beautiful pips. If you look at my intraday analysis, as you can see here, from here we have built our bias reversal, and that's what I explained to my trader. Keep looking a pullback long as long as the price respect this level, so we should keep taking. If the price can break this level after the breakout retest, then we're taking a short, otherwise taking a consider only for long trade here. As you can see here, pullback one and second one, beautiful from yesterday. And today morning I explained to my trader, look for another pullback or breakout. So we have another small pullback by few pp's, and then at the New York session this today I explained to my trader in more details that even though we have a very small sort of rejection, but I explained to my trader as long as the price gonna stay above the previous high in 4 hour, consider long. And that's what I explained to my trader. We're only going to take a short in intraday if the price gonna break after the breakout, price retest, then we show, otherwise keep taking a long. We have one pullback, afterwards we have another pullback. If you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, so we had amazing long trade on Euro USD. This was a counter trade based on the 4 hour, but in intraday you can see here how we analyze market and refine the entries and bank pips. Okay, let's move to the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting, we just had another long trade recently, and let me share with you the 4 hour chart. As you can see, beginning of the week we were long on pound dollar. If you can watch all of my previous analysis, and explain to my trader this is the weekly support line which is previously broken, and after that price, as you can see here, price keep respecting this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. Keep taking a long trade here. Even today, if the price can break this level, keep taking a pullback or short and long. As you can see here, right now we have a bullish engulfing candles, look like the price might gonna break the previous high, and if that's the case, then probably the first target would be at this level, 100 EMA. We'll see tomorrow, but let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday today and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you from yesterday. As you can see here, we were long. That's what I explained to my trader, pull back long here, and then this was again from yesterday. This is the breakout trade, as because we were expecting, most of the trader was expecting the market gonna come down. I said, look, we're going to trade what we see and not what we think. So that's what the heck happened. We had a beautiful long trade here from yesterday, and today morning, as you can see here, price refused here. I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break the previous low, then we're going to take a short trade. We have a beautiful short trade. Technically price came at this level, which you can see here in the previous analysis. Okay, so at the New York session, that's what I explained to my trader. The price is keep respecting. You can see here, respected twice, and you can see here, price keep respecting. The safest way, when the price broken after the breakout, price retest, and that's why we announced long trade here. Some of the traders keep holding long on pound dollar and the dollar CAD, on the Euro USD. So you can see here our bias was long, and technically that's what we were looking at this level at the New York session, which we refine entries and exit in intraday. As you can see here, breakout retest, give us the confirmation. Very nice juicy pips on pound dollar. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting trade too. If you look at the dollar CAD, and let me make it bigger. Okay, so dollar CAD, if you look at from beginning of this week, we were long as a pretty straightforward. As I said to you guys, we have this high in 4-hour, price nicely respected. We have a bullish engulfing candle. We were long whole week. You can watch all of my previous analysis. And from yesterday, we were long too, bank beautiful. Even today, we were long here. As soon as the price hit this level, we bank beautiful pips. That's what we explained to trader this morning. If the price is going to respect, then long here. If the price is going to break, and then short trade here. Let me share with you guys in intraday how I analyze market in intraday and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. We have amazing trade, guys. All right, so let me make it slightly bigger from yesterday. This is the analysis from yesterday and afterwards. You can see, and that's what we explained to trader. This is the analysis, I believe, this morning. And that's what we explained to my trader. Explain all the market structure in real time, not the historical, real time. That explained to my trader, look for at this level another pullback. And as you can see, we have another pullback. We have another beautiful pullback, bang, beautiful pips. This was the analysis we made it yesterday. And that was the beautiful pullback from here, bang, beautiful pips in 4 hours. And today you can see here we have some sort of like a consolidation, but I explained to my trader, as long as we don't get any confirmation for short, we're not going to take a short, period. We're just going to be taking a long trade here. As you can see here, even though price came back, we haven't have any retest. With the retest, what we're expecting here is the breakout. After the breakout, price give a retest, then we should be taking a short. Otherwise, we are going to consider long. That's what I explained to my trader. And that's what happened. We have this New York session breakout, beautiful. As soon as the price hit at the major resistance level, that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And afterwards, you can see here price came back. We also did this analysis. Let me explain to you. For short, that's what I did. That's what I explained to my trader. Breakout, pullback. You can see here we had this breakout but did not have a pullback. We haven't taken any counter short trade. But at the New York session, we have this breakout, and now we have price came back here, and now I'm telling my traders, look for another pullback, because price could not maintain this level, right? This is the false breakout. So if the price is going to respect this level, then we're going to take a short trade again. Example, that's what we do every single day, guys, teaching with the live market and helping them with the live market. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy. You can see here we had such an amazing trade. We have beautiful trade on Euro Yen too. You can see here, beautiful. That's what we explained with a live market. This is a market structure, expecting another pullback at this level. You can see here we have another beautiful pullback long here. We have amazing trade on pound Euro Yen today, long, as you can see here. That's what we explain. If you show you my intraday analysis, we have beautiful. Yesterday we had a beautiful short trade here, this short trade. Let me share with you the yesterday analysis. So just that on today. Okay, so this is the analysis I did yesterday. As I mentioned, you guys, we need a confirmation. And that's what we explained with the live market. Give them all the price, all the market structure, how the price moves. And as you can see here, let me make it slightly bigger here. You can see here, explain to my trader, look for pullback at this level. That's the confirmation. We have another pullback, and once the price broken, as you can see in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. Yeah, 1, 2, beautiful pullback, amazing trade. We had a beautiful profit on Euro Yen. Once we bank some profit, and today morning, that's what we explained to my trader, possibility price might going to. If you look at here, these two fractal, so if the price gonna break this one, then keep taking along. That's I analyze market in intraday. This is the intraday this morning. You can see here, just before London open. So this is another falling wedge, beautiful breakout. And look at here, price broken and retest. That's give us the confirmation. We taken along, we have another pullback, beautiful pips. Again, explaining to my trader market structure and telling them keep taking a pullback. So we can see a pullback. So right now, that's what we explained to my trader. If the price break, because you can see a previously price respected, if the price gonna break this level and after the breakout retest in 4 hours, that's the sign then it's gonna go long. Otherwise, still possibility of short. Well, as I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We analyze market in our intraday system and bank beautiful pips. That's what exactly we do every single day. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis review. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And traders who are struggling in forex trading, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will show you how you become a successful and profitable trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, but I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy this live analysis and banking pips in real time alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time.